Hey y'all, it's Leslie, and I have Happy Mail to show you. I got some goodies from Bobbie, and Bobbie is at CraftyCritter919, and I will link to her below in the description box. And she has sent me some goodies, so I'm just going to start pulling out here. And she has sent some different blues. She knows my favorite color is blue. She sent some different blues of cardstock. And then she printed, look how pretty this is, guys. She printed this out for me. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, this is pretty too. This paper. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Oh, yeah. Look at there. Oh, that's so pretty. Can't wait to use it. That's just blue on it, so it may have come out of something. Ooh, this is shimmery. No, you can't see that. Oh, maybe a little bit. You can see it. Yeah. Oh, and this one's shimmery. Awesome. Bobbie, you're so sweet to me. I swear, you spoil me. Look at this. A stencil. Let me go back to the blue. Let me see that. That's so cool. And then she made me some envelopes that she cut out with this scallop edge. Yellow and orange, green, pink wood, looks like, yep. And a rust color. I love those. Those are gorgeous. I like that size too. That's like card size. Your card will fit in that. Just nicely. Perfect. Oh my goodness. Her, I'll link her Etsy shop. She has an Etsy shop too. I think she's getting ready to close it, but if you can get in and get you something, I'm telling you, she's got some pretty things. Really gorgeous things. These are glassine bags that she made me because she knew I didn't have any. And so she made and cut these, and that's cute. And these are some, like, actual glassine bags. I think she said glycine. Glassine is correct. Here's some more envelopes. These are cute. Tall coin ones. So precious. Y'all, she's got one of every kind of cutting machine there is. Yes. Glassine bags. No, I've never had any of these before. I've used deli paper, but this is a different feel. It's not a wax paper feel either. I love those. Ooh. Get lots of use out of those too. Okay. And she's enclosed something here. Oh, guys. She makes these. This is her. She makes these. She's got tutorials on her page about how to make flowers, and she makes them herself. And then she's made a little card for them to be packaged on. I'm sorry, the packaging, you're hearing that. Look at that. That's so pretty. They got the little, I got sun coming in and everything else. Maybe this is better. Look at that. It's like a glass glitter on top. So gorgeous. And made by her hands. Isn't that so sweet of her? Aww. Okay, and here's another envelope for me. This one's got something in it. Pull one thing out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let me get in the sunshine so you can see. It's a rust cinnamon color. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. And a bling. So pretty. Ooh, this is lace too. Look at this lace. It's got a trim and then a little ruffle edge. Let's see. See, look at that. So pretty, Bobbie. Oh my goodness. This is just going to go on for days. Look at this. So cute. And some seam binding. Ooh, look at these little cutouts. I think those have been printed and cut out. Aren't those gorgeous flowers? Oh, and it goes with the blue she sent. This is something I told her I absolutely loved. I love this die cut. I think it's a Spellbinders die cut. I don't buy often, especially die cuts, because I rarely use them. But maybe if I had some beautiful ones, I would. Love these little frames. Isn't that cute? Gosh, Bobbie, I love this stuff. What else we got? Another one of her little envelopes. Oh my God, it's like I got a bag of diamonds. Can you see that in there? It is a bag of diamonds. I'm sure they're rhinestones, but aren't they pretty? It's my diamonds. It should have been in a black velvet bag, Bobbie. So they could be like that on TV. Oh, look at these gorgeous buttons. Oh my goodness. Roosters and old clocks. Oh my gosh, I love those. Look at those. Oh, those would be gorgeous in flower centers. Ooh. She knows I love butterflies too. And vintage. Everything vintage. Book corners. Perfect. Some wooden butterfly buttons. Oh, those are so sweet. Look at that. I wonder if she still has any in her shop. You'll have to go and check. Look at these little gold leaf charms. I love those. And a beautiful little rose. Oh, two more. Well, three. These are flower centers too. Or, I mean, they could be anything, but I love them as flower centers. Look at those. Aren't they so cute? Bobbie loves owls. And these pearls. Oh my gosh, you spoil me. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bobbie. I appreciate it so much. And thank you all who came to watch today, and I will see you soon.